Hey yo, what's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel. And as you can see, I'm here with my boy David Lucas. David Lucas is a stand-up comic, and also he's popular on the hit show Roast Me on All Def Digital. Play the clip.
That nigga Boo got on a Serena Williams wig. Old ass nigga, you write your jokes in hieroglyphics. Nigga, your jacket sponsored by Lazy Boy. That nigga Boo overdosed on Fix-A-Dent, nigga. If you don't get your Alka-Seltzer drinking ass, that nigga ran. Hey, that nigga Boo can't be within 100 feet of a nursing home. That nigga got hot sauce in the headlock. Billy, your feet still tired from the slut walk. Oh, yes. That was good. That was good. Nigga Jade look like a champion breed Rottweiler.
Jade look like he breed Rottweiler.
Boy, you look like you been looking through a telescope with shoe polish on it, nigga. He got you. He got you. He got you. He got you.
Your body look like one of them niggas that wear them suits when dogs attack them.
Hey man, sit down.
Nigga, you drive a remote control car, nigga.
So, big man to big man, we issued each other a challenge to see which one is the freshest. The name of this episode is The Freshest Fat Boy. So we're gonna go around asking people which one of us they think is the fresher dressed. Dave, you got anything to say?
I know I'm the freshest, man.
Man, you see all this drip I got on right here, man? This ain't no game. You know what I'm saying? Like, coordinated. Look at that. Yeah.
Hey, these ain't even out yet. You know what I'm saying? They ain't even out yet. Like, how he got them?
Low key, I'm gonna have to steal those before he leave. But hey, we gonna go out here and we gonna issue people some questions. Which one they think is the freshest? Let's do it. All right, so we found our first guy. What's your name, big dog?
Brooks, man.
So Brooks is gonna tell us which one of us he thinks is fresher. So we're gonna give him a chance to think through the whole thing. If he gotta think out loud, then he gotta think out loud. But at the end of the day, he gonna tell us which outfit he would choose.
All right, man. I gotta grab him. All right. Well, just look. I mean, y'all both got your beanie game is right. Y'all both got the beard game right. I like the shoes. It's kind of hard. I gotta give it to my man's right here. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I can't name it. Don't ask me to name it. But it's just I don't know. Maybe it's the jeans. I like the blues. But your kicks, I like the kicks. The kicks is hard. I mean, you're matching. I can't say it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I gotta give it to my man's right here, man.
Hey, big dog. I appreciate that, man. You stay up, bro. So that's 1-0, your boy. Let's go on to the next one. All right, so we back out here with some more people. So can we get y'all names?
I'm Bianca, Asia, Kara.
All right, so they're gonna answer for us which one they think is a fresher fat boy. Now, if you guys need to think or reason in your heads out loud, then that's fine. But at the end of the day, you gotta choose one.
I think you the fresher one. You the freshest.
Jesus, I'm out here losing.
I agree, it's unanimous.
Oh! Hey, your boy out here doing it. I ain't got no channel for no reason. I ain't got no channel for no reason. What you gotta say, Dave?
Hey, man, I'm out here losing, man. I don't know what's going on, bruh. I should have worn my Yeezys, I think. I don't know, maybe.
Nah, that was cool, though. All right, so we back out here with another group. What's you guys' names?
Demetrius.
Shadon.
So the question of the day, who is the freshest fat boy? If you got to think or reason out loud, that's fine. But at the end of the day, you got to choose one.
Oh, this is my homeboy here. But I'm going to go with you because, you know, You got your yellow shoes, a yellow hat, your little swag, you know.
I appreciate that, and I love the accent too. To me, you do. I'm from LA.
Oh, okay.
She said, "Oh, okay."
We both from the bottom. We both from the bottom.
You know, David got an accent.
His shoes are cute too, though, and they are matched.
I think.
Okay, I don't know. It's the tie then.
Because I need a winner. Let me hear you. Wow, that is going to be tough to beat. Let's not kid anybody. How about over here? There you have it. We have ourselves a tie. We have ourselves a tie.
It's a tie.
Oh,
It's a tie.
she walked that thing back so fast. She moved. We on Hollywood Boulevard, and she just moonwalked that thing all the way back.
I know what to do next time. I see what it is. I see exactly what it is.
See, he just said he gets Uchu, but no, but yeah, people, yes.
Well, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys' time. All right, so we back out here with another group. So what's your guys' names?
My name is April. I'm Maria. I'm Nikosha.
And I'm Rue.
So basically, we just want you guys to decide which one of us is the Fresh or Fat Boy.
Okay. That kind of got the same thing
I
going
kind of
on.
like his a little better. I'm into his kicks. The Pumas are super dope.
Oh, yeah.
The stripes on his pants. And then, of course, the Benny kind of just offsets the sneakers.
Yeah. I would say, because I'm more simple. Yeah, I like colors. I like combination, but I like his look. Love your kicks, but I like his look. I like the look. Yeah, I like
1 to 1.
I like the jacket.
Okay, I like the shoes and I like the look. That's why I say
I like the shoes.
I like the whole look.
I love this jacket. Yeah, I love that jacket. Yeah.
So y'all three saying me and you saying him?
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I dress different than them anyway.
I think I lost, bruh. I think I lost.
No, you didn't. No, technically you didn't lose.
You still fresh.
But you still fresh. You still fresh.
But I just had to let these people out here know that I got a YouTube channel because I do this. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. If I can take them kicks off his feet and get away from him, I'd do it.
Right, there you go.
I could have cheated, bro. I could have wore some Yeezys and then.
These are not real, though. You know that, right? Chinese. These are not real. It's fine, though. Appreciate it.
And then the game would have. Next time I put this cheat code, I'm wearing Yeezys. I know what to do next time, bro.
All right, we'll see what he got next time. All right, so we out here with our last group of the day. So what's your guys' names?
Jane.
Victor.
So we just want you guys to decide which one of us you think is the freshest fat boy.
I like you.
That was quick.
I think you got it, bro.
But your shoes, though, I do love your shoes.
I saw the shoes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Listen, same story.
The hat to the shoes, I see that. Like a hamburger type thing.
So this is the shoe competition. You all play. I like your shoes, but I like your outfit.
We gotta do. All right.
Hey man, so in terms of a puzzle, he got the bottom, but I put all mine together. Got anything to say, Dave?
I'll take the L like a man, you know what I'm saying? I was basically taking it easy since it's our first time shooting. I ain't want to embarrass him on his channel, but you'll see more stuff coming from us, and I guarantee you this is the last L I will take.
See how true that is. Y'all got any social media I want to shout out?
I have a business laced with culture. It's a sewing company, so check it out. It's on Instagram.
No, I don't got anything.
Cool. Appreciate y'all help. Thank you. All right, big fellas. So thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Dave, you got anything you want to say?
Like I said, it's the last L that I will take. It's over. Over from now on.
Hey, what's your last name start with?
My last name is Ukis.
But yeah, y'all definitely go follow David Lucas on social media. I'll put his Instagram plug on the screen, so definitely go follow him. And for next time, just because we big, don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace out, y'all.
I'm the best. 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 I did it. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best.